What is the true scale of the corporate bond market? Imagine a financial world where trillions of dollars are moving every day, funding companies and shaping economies. That's the size of the corporate bond market. It's a huge part of the global fixed income scene, worth around 40 to 41 trillion US dollars today. To put that in perspective, it makes up about 32% of the total bond market, which is roughly $128 trillion worldwide. The United States leads this market by a wide margin, with about $10 trillion in corporate bonds outstanding. That's nearly 45% of the global corporate bond total. China is the next biggest, with around $7 trillion in bonds issued. Over half of all corporate bonds are issued by financial institutions, like banks and insurance companies. In the United States, the corporate bond market has been growing steadily. In 2023, it reached about $10 trillion, up from $9.5 trillion in 2022. These bonds make up nearly half of all fixed income assets in the country. Companies keep issuing new bonds, with over $1.3 trillion issued by mid-to-0-to-5. Many of these bonds, about 30%, have maturities longer than 10 years. This shows that companies prefer locking in long-term financing. The total corporate debt in the US is about 50% of the gross domestic product, which shows how much companies relying on borrowing compared to the overall economy. For investors looking for passive income, the size of this market offers many opportunities. Corporate bonds pay regular interest, called coupons, providing steady cash flow. The market includes bonds of different credit qualities. Investment-grade bonds are safer and offer moderate yields, while high-yield bonds, often called junk bonds, pay higher interest but come with more risk. Recently, more companies have been issuing both types, and investor interest in high-yield bonds has increased by about 12% over the past few years. Because the market is so large and liquid, investors can easily find a wide variety of bonds to build diversified portfolios. This helps in maintaining stable prices and consistent income. Foreign investors are also buying US corporate bonds more often, showing global confidence in these investments. Overall, the corporate bond market is a vast and active part of the financial world. Its size and diversity make it a key option for those seeking passive income through bond and fixed income investments.